is up, YouTube? What is up, everybody? This is your boy Carlos, brought to you by Carlos Power Media. And today I just want to share a little information with you. I know that I've been absent from YouTube for quite some time and just want to let you know why. Actually, I have been busy working for the corporation that I work for and had a lot going on. And also, I am in the process of moving to my other new home. So I've been really busy trying to get things together to move into my new home. I have a lot of cooking ideas and presentations that I do want to share with you guys that's coming up soon in July. I have a lot of new reaction videos that will be coming your way, as well as cooking segments. I am so excited. I will be having my cooking segments in my new kitchen, in my new house that's coming up. So you see the backdrop and you have seen my videos and seen my house from where I currently live that I own, but I have a new home, so my background and backdrops and everything might look a little different to you, but it's me. So I just kind of want to share that little bit with you on today. I will be having some more product reviews coming your way. And as promised last year, I will have some giveaways that I do want to share with you guys as well. We will also be cooking like how to cook pies, how to cook cakes, how to make cookies, how to make fresh ice cream. For those of you who are not in the role of drinking milk, we can use like a supplement like almond milk or a coconut milk or almond milk or something like that. So I have so many wonderful things that is in store for you guys. As I stated, everything that I do, it's not about me, it's about you. I want to just look at what you guys look at, you know, from your perspective. You know, the things that you like to eat, the things that entertain you, that are allegedly, you know, for all audiences. And some of the other things I want to do is just take ideas from you guys to come up with new recipes and different things like that, as well as reaction videos also. But just to let you know, even with the reaction videos, I'm very hesitant to what types of material that I actually do, because I want to make sure that it is advertiser friendly for corporations, as well as it's family friendly for adults and children or teenagers as well. So everything that I do would be family oriented. So I just want you guys to know that. Now, I did get a lot of requests for to do reaction videos on a lot of things. I know some of you haven't heard back from me on some of those things. I'm still evaluating that, because one of the things is I can actually do what you requested, but I want to make sure that I'm following guidelines when I do, because I don't want to go through a lot of trouble putting something together for you. It may make sense to you and it may make sense to me, but it may not make sense to the YouTube platform, and they may not allow me to put it on there, or they may not allow me to, you know, make revenue from it as well. So I'm taking your ideas. I will be doing a lot of reaction videos for some of those of you who requested for me to. Just be a little patient with me. Like I said, I am in the process of moving. I have a lot of things going on right now, so you will start to see everything come back up in July. So I just wanted to take this time to just kind of share that information with you, to let you know. I really appreciate each and every last one of you who are subscribers to my channel. I want to make sure that I give you great content. I want to make sure that I communicate with most of you. I want to also, just build that relationship with you guys, from a content developer perspective, because I value you and everything that you do. Everything that interests you, I value that. You see what I'm saying? So I want to make sure that I put the best content out there for you. And like I said to my subscribers on last year, I am new to the YouTube community. So I want to make sure I develop and give you what you need. And as a content developer, I'm growing myself. I am so proud and excited just about the feedback I was getting from you guys. Just the things that you guys told me and shared with me. It meant a lot to me, so I'm so excited about that. So I look forward to bringing you guys more content, and it's coming up. I'm in the process of moving, as I stated earlier, so I want to get all of that out of the way, get my new home set up, get all of the finances and different things taken care of, get my new studio set up to where I can get all my camera equipment, get everything, my backdrops, everything right, so I can make it look pretty good for you guys. So go ahead and hit that button over there and like my video and subscribe, and I look forward to bringing you new and exciting content. So here's my thing to you: be safe, love one another, and peace, love, and rock and roll. I'll talk to you guys later. Again, this is Carlos with Carlos Power Media, and see ya.